By default, Excel uses a sum function for calculating the data field summaries. Although sum is the most common summary function used in pivot tables, it's by no means the only one. In fact, Excel offers 11 summary functions. To change summary functions, click Sum of Revenue arrow button. Click Value Field Settings. Excel displays a list of the available summary calculations. I want to check maximum revenue of each product. Select Max function. Click OK. Excel displays the maximum revenue value of each product. Right click on any cell. Click Value Field Settings. Select Min function. Because I want to check the minimum revenue value of each product, click OK. The minimum revenue value of keyboard is $17 and the minimum revenue value of laptop is $76. But remember, this revenue value is after reading the newspaper. Customer has purchased this product in this minimum revenue after reading the newspaper. Right click, click Value Field Settings. Now I want to summarize data by selecting Average function. Click OK. Excel shows the average value of each product. In this way, data is summarized in the pivot tables.